The Reserve Bank of India is the central bank of India and plays a crucial role in managing the country's economy. Let's take a closer look at the RBI and its functions. Hello everyone, my name is Kishan Rabdiya and you are watching the Inside India Politics channel. The RBI was established in 1935 under the Reserve Bank of India Act, and it is owned by the Government of India. It is responsible for regulating the country's monetary policy and managing the nation's currency, as well as overseeing the banking system and maintaining financial stability. The RBI is headed by a governor, who is appointed by the Government of India. The governor, along with a team of deputy governors and other officials, is responsible for making decisions about the country's monetary policy, banking regulation, and other functions of the RBI. One of the key functions of the RBI is to formulate and implement monetary policy in India. This involves setting interest rates and controlling the supply of money in the economy, with the aim of maintaining price stability and promoting economic growth. The RBI is also responsible for managing the country's currency, including issuing banknotes and coins and regulating the circulation of currency. As the regulator of the banking system in India, the RBI is responsible for supervising and regulating banks and financial institutions to maintain financial stability and protect consumer interests. The RBI also oversees the country's payment and settlement systems, ensuring that they are secure, efficient, and accessible to all. Additionally, the RBI has a developmental role, promoting financial inclusion and supporting initiatives to expand access to financial services in the country. Through its various functions, the RBI plays a critical role in the Indian economy, impacting businesses, consumers, and the overall financial system. The RBI is constantly making policy changes and updates to ensure that the Indian economy stays on track. Recently, the RBI made changes to its policy to support economic growth and address inflation concerns. The RBI's policies have a significant impact on the economy, and the central bank closely monitors economic indicators such as inflation, growth rates, and exchange rates to make informed decisions. The RBI also plays a role in promoting financial literacy and education, with initiatives such as Financial Literacy Week and various educational programs aimed at improving financial literacy in the country. The RBI's role in promoting financial stability and economic growth is critical for the country's progress, and the central bank works closely with the Government of India to achieve these goals. The Reserve Bank of India is a key institution in India's financial landscape, and its decisions have a significant impact on the lives of millions of people in the country. The RBI has also been at the forefront of promoting digital payments and financial inclusion in the country. Through initiatives such as the Unified Payments Interface (Rupee), the RBI has made it easier for people to make digital transactions and access financial services, even in remote areas of the country. The RBI has also taken steps to address issues of financial inclusion, such as promoting the use of basic savings accounts and microfinance institutions in underserved areas. The RBI is also responsible for regulating and supervising non-banking financial companies, NBFCs, in the country. These companies play a critical role in providing credit to businesses and individuals, and the RBI's oversight ensures that they operate in a safe and transparent manner. Overall, the RBI's role in regulating and supervising the financial sector is crucial for maintaining stability and promoting growth in the economy. The Reserve Bank of India is a key institution in India's financial landscape, and its policies and decisions have far-reaching impacts on the economy and the lives of people in the country. One of the most important functions of the RBI is to formulate and implement monetary policy in the country. This involves regulating the money supply, interest rates, and exchange rates to control inflation and promote economic growth. The RBI's monetary policy decisions are based on a complex analysis of various economic indicators and are often the subject of intense debate and scrutiny. The RBI is also responsible for overseeing the functioning of banks and other financial institutions in the country. This includes setting guidelines for lending and borrowing, ensuring adequate liquidity, and monitoring compliance with regulations. The RBI's oversight and regulation of the banking sector are critical for maintaining stability and ensuring that financial institutions operate in a safe and sound manner. The Reserve Bank of India plays a vital role in promoting economic growth, maintaining financial stability, and ensuring that the financial needs of all Indians are met. The RBI also plays a critical role in promoting entrepreneurship and innovation in the country. The central bank has launched various initiatives aimed at supporting startups, such as the RBI's Innovation Hub and the Regulatory Sandbox. The RBI's initiatives have provided a platform for startups to test new ideas and products, and have helped to create a vibrant ecosystem of innovation and entrepreneurship in the country. The RBI also works closely with other government agencies and stakeholders to promote economic development and social welfare in the country. This includes initiatives to support agriculture, rural development, and financial inclusion. The RBI's efforts to promote sustainable and inclusive growth are critical for ensuring that all sections of society benefit from the country's economic progress. The Reserve Bank of India is a key institution in India's financial landscape, and its functions and decisions have a far-reaching impact on the country's economic development and the lives of its people. The COVID-19 pandemic has had a profound impact on the Indian economy, and the RBI has played a critical role in responding to the crisis. The RBI has launched a range of measures aimed at mitigating the economic impact of the pandemic, including cutting interest rates, providing liquidity support to banks, and announcing a moratorium on loan repayments. These measures have helped to ease the financial burden on individuals and businesses, and have provided a lifeline to many struggling sectors of the economy. The RBI has also been working closely with the government to support the implementation of various fiscal stimulus measures, such as the Atmanirbhar Bharat package, aimed at promoting economic recovery and growth. The RBI's response to the COVID-19 crisis has demonstrated its commitment to maintaining stability and promoting growth in the face of unprecedented challenges. The Reserve Bank of India is an important player in India's economy, and its decisions have far-reaching impacts on various sectors and stakeholders. Let's take a look at some data and facts about the RBI's role and impact on the Indian economy. One of the key functions of the RBI is to control inflation in the country. In recent years, the RBI's efforts have been successful in bringing down India's inflation rate from double digits to around 4%. This has helped to stabilize prices and support economic growth. The RBI's monetary policy decisions also play a critical role in supporting economic growth. The central bank has implemented a range of measures to support credit flow and stimulate demand, which have helped to support India's GDP growth rate. The RBI is also responsible for regulating and overseeing India's banking sector. As of 2021, India has over 3,000 banks, including public, private, and foreign banks. The RBI's regulations ensure that these banks operate in a safe and sound manner, which helps to maintain financial stability in the country. The RBI has also been instrumental in promoting financial inclusion in the country. As of 2021, India has over 400 million people who are unbanked or underbanked. The RBI's initiatives, such as the Jan Dhan Yojana and the Aadhaar program, have helped to expand access to financial services and promote financial literacy among the unbanked population. The RBI is responsible for managing India's foreign exchange reserves, which are a critical component of the country's financial stability. As of February 2022, India's foreign exchange reserves stood at around $636 billion, which is among the highest in the world. These reserves help to support the value of the Indian rupee and provide a cushion against external economic shocks. The RBI's monetary policy decisions also have a significant impact on the stock market. When the central bank raises or lowers interest rates, it affects the cost of borrowing and the attractiveness of investments in the stock market. The RBI's decisions can also affect the value of the Indian rupee, which can impact foreign investment in the stock market. In 2016, the Indian government launched a demonetization drive, which involved the withdrawal of high-value currency notes from circulation. The RBI played a critical role in implementing this initiative, which was aimed at reducing the black money and counterfeit currency in the country. While the demonetization drive had some short-term economic costs, it has helped to boost digital payments and promote financial inclusion in the long run. The RBI's efforts to promote digital payments have also been successful. As of 2021, India's digital payments market was valued at around $64 billion and is projected to grow rapidly in the coming years. The RBI's regulations and initiatives have helped to create a robust digital payments ecosystem in the country, which has benefited both consumers and businesses. The Reserve Bank of India is not just responsible for managing the country's monetary policy and financial stability but also has an important role to play in promoting financial inclusion and literacy among the Indian population. The RBI has undertaken several initiatives to increase financial literacy and promote financial inclusion in the country. The central bank has collaborated with various stakeholders, including government agencies, banks, and NGOs, to create awareness and educate people about financial planning, savings, and investments. The RBI has also played a key role in promoting financial inclusion by expanding access to banking services, particularly in rural areas. The Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, launched by the Indian government in 2014, aimed to provide financial access to all households in the country. As of 2021, over 43 crore bank accounts had been opened under this scheme, which has helped to bring more people into the formal banking system. During the COVID-19 pandemic, the RBI announced several measures to support individuals and businesses facing financial difficulties. One of these measures was a loan moratorium, which allowed borrowers to defer their loan repayments for a few months. The RBI has also been at the forefront of promoting digital payments in the country. In recent years, the central bank has launched several initiatives, including the Unified Payments Interface (UPI), which has revolutionized the way people make payments in India. As of 2021, over 2.8 billion Rupee transactions were recorded in a single month, making India one of the leading countries in the world in terms of digital payments. The RBI also plays a crucial role in maintaining the stability of the Indian financial system. It supervises and regulates banks and other financial institutions to ensure that they operate in a safe and sound manner. The RBI closely monitors the performance of banks and other financial institutions and takes corrective action when necessary to protect the interests of depositors and maintain financial stability in the country. The RBI governor, who is appointed by the government, is responsible for formulating and implementing monetary policy in the country. The central bank sets interest rates, manages the money supply, and monitors inflation to ensure that the economy remains stable. The RBI also regulates credit card companies and other payment systems to ensure that they operate in a fair and transparent manner. It has introduced several measures to protect consumers, such as capping credit card interest rates and increasing transparency in fee disclosures. The Reserve Bank of India is one of the most important institutions in the country, and its actions have far-reaching implications for the Indian economy and the lives of its citizens. Its role in promoting financial inclusion, maintaining financial stability, and regulating the financial sector has been critical in shaping the economic landscape of India. The central bank was established on April 1, 1935, with a capital of 5 crore Indian rupees, equivalent to 250,000 United States dollars at the time, to regulate the banking sector and to control the issuance of currency. Today, the RBI has evolved into a modern, dynamic institution that regulates the country's financial system and plays a crucial role in maintaining macroeconomic stability. The RBI is responsible for formulating and implementing monetary policy in the country. It sets interest rates and manages the money supply to achieve its primary objective of maintaining price stability. In recent years, the RBI has been successful in keeping inflation under control. In 2019-2020, the average inflation rate was 4.8%, which is well within the central bank's target range of 2 to 6%. The RBI also plays a critical role in promoting financial stability in the country. Its efforts to regulate and supervise banks and other financial institutions have helped to prevent financial crises and to maintain confidence in the financial system. The RBI has also been instrumental in promoting financial inclusion in India. Its efforts to expand banking services to rural and remote areas have helped to bring millions of people into the formal financial system, enabling them to access credit, savings, and insurance products. We hope you found this video informative and educational. The Reserve Bank of India is a critical institution that plays a crucial role in the Indian economy and the lives of its citizens. Its efforts to promote financial inclusion, maintain financial stability, regulate the financial sector, and engage with the global community have been instrumental in shaping the economic landscape of India. If you want to learn more about the RBI or the Indian economy, there are plenty of resources available online. You can visit the RBI website, read financial news articles, or watch other educational videos on YouTube. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more educational videos on important topics. From all of us here at Inside India Politics channel, thank you for your time and attention. We'll see you in the next video.